Most of them, after they don't chop finish, you can for only you go make 4 cups of garri. After you make 4 cups of garri, you will use your hand, stick inside, use banga to rub the whole eba. The way you rub finish, you can say, but you say the 100 that time. Oh, you can't now get garri. You carry that one where you rub soup all the way eba. So come carry and give her. The soup where you chop will remain for money. When the person call, you come serve food to join now. You are wicked. You are a wicked man and woman. You know, you see, heaven, they go, as you appear, they go use 10 padlock to lock up because of you. 10 padlock. If they don't get 10 padlock, I'll follow them more. Because you are wicked. You don't know the meaning of love. Most of them, when they hear now, so you go get 1,000 naira, you go just see their person, go they cry. I'm hungry, I'm hungry. You go first of all, sure, say, madam, give me rice 300. Plantain 200, that's 500. Madam, give me pomo 200. Madam, give me 100. Madam, give me this one. How much you gonna be now? 900. Say, madam, you give me one or mat to digest now. Say, hey, wait, after you don't chop, after they chop, the one they fall inside, say, oh, say, brother, you say they're hungry, I bet you're feeling this one. Let me now. Nobody be wants. Because of that person when they're hungry, you can split your that money. Say, brother, now 1,000 get, oh yeah, you manage 5, man manage 5 back. That means you have the love of God. For that single act, God can promote you. God can take you into a new level. And let me tell you now, for most of you, when they give people something, they say, this is what they give, and not be from my heart. So now make I do, may not be like say, as they talk for church, so may not be like say, I don't do, I bet take. They go do like that, I bet take on. That one, let me tell you, you see they call that person, say that person, if they call that person is a beggar. See, the right way to give person something, give the person something with love, humility. Humility, know what you mean humility? God bless you, sir. God bless you. But your own, God, this money I won't give you so. See, from 90, today na Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You go to call the clean my house. By then, you will not become what? You are not doing love. You are doing back of love. I don't need to love get back. Love get back. Now, front of love, now what they talk about, that is what they call agape love. You just see somebody, you don't love the person, you like to give the person 1 million, you like to give the person job opportunity, you like to bless the person, you like to connect the person. That's what we call agape love. Listen, love will look around to say, no, I want to invest on the life of this sister. Okay.